Hello my friends, it's Odette here. Welcome to today's video. I hope you guys are all doing absolutely wonderful. And in today's video, my friends, I do have a collection of spring summer handbags to show you guys. And here in the UK, it's been raining the last week and a half or two, and I'm just about fed up. I am ready for some sun, I'm ready for spring, I'm ready for summer, I'm ready for some changes. So let's just get started. So if I don't mention the prices as we go through the video, they will be in the description box for you guys. If you check out my magazine, they will be in there as well, because I do have these featured in the magazine. So we're just gonna get started. So this is the first one that I do have here. And this is a beautiful cream handbag. Now there's a store here in the UK called Dorothy Perkins, and I'm not quite sure if the store ships internationally or not, but I fell in love with this. I did some online shopping, guys. So I left it in the bag because I don't really want to have any stains on it. Plus I was just dabbling in some makeup, and I made sure my hands are nice and clean before I actually touch the bags. So the plastic handle is still on it, and this is a beautiful handbag right here. It's like a bone color, really nice, beautiful, simple, great for the spring and summer. You guys are going to see a little video in a second about this little bag. And on the inside, you do have like an extra storage as well. You can use this for a makeup bag. If you're traveling, you can put your makeup and stuff like that in here. I will be traveling very I was going to say very shortly, but very soon. So I can even use this to put my makeup in as well. And I'm also going to be taking this bag with me. So this is going to be my everyday bag. And as you can see, the inside has lots of space. You're going to be seeing that in the video coming up. Beautiful bag. You can just wear this bag on your arm. It looks really, really pretty. Again, it's a bone color. And I know you do have the straps on the inside, so you can use this as a crossbody bag as well, for not for the part on the inside, but for the bag itself, because you do have the hooks right here. This is the strap, and you do have just the typical paper on the inside, so I'm just going to take that out. Okay, and there's lots of room in here, and again, you can use this as a makeup bag, and you can just travel with this as well, and this just goes in here. And again, this is the strap for the bag. You can use this as a crossbody, but I will not use this as a crossbody bag. I will just wear this on my shoulder. I love the color. It's like, again, it's a bony color, or I would say cream. Let me just see, the tag is on here. Now this bag was £35, and it was on sale for $25, which is not bad. And it's a really nice one. I actually love it though. I love the little details just right by the handles right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Very nice, very, very pretty. And this is one of those bags you can just wear with anything, white, black, gray, green, any color, because it's so neutral, and it is such a beautiful bag. Not too big, not too small, just absolutely perfect for everyday wear for spring, everyday wear for the summer. Because you know, sometimes you do have that one particular bag that you just gravitate to. This will be one of them. And obviously this is going to be the bag I'm going to be traveling with when I leave in just in a few weeks. And there it is, beautiful, love it. And again, £25, Dorothy Perkins. It's going to be linked below for you guys, so not to worry. So the other one that I do have here is this blue bag. I'm just going to take the plastic off. I fell in love with this bag the minute I see it, because it is just so darn cute. This is a blue bag. It almost looks like a grayish undertone. Love this bag. Very, very, very cute. For an evening out, for a date, for just like an everyday hang with your friends in a coffee shop. Beautiful handle. I love the plastic on because I'm not ready to wear this bag yet. And I love the beautiful, gorgeous tassels here on the side. Cute bag. And of course, you do have the straps on the inside. You can use this as a crossbody as well. I love the color. And you know, you've got the little clips right there. You can just clip that together. Really, really easy. Beautiful bag. I just love this. Doesn't this just scream spring and summer to you guys? Look at how beautiful that is. This is just the cutest little bag ever. And this is what really attracted me to the bag. This beautiful tassel thingy that's hanging right here. And of course, this is not a shoulder bag. This is a bag you can just use on your arm, or you can just hold this in your hand. Okay. So cute. I love it. I love this bag so much. And you do have, you know, your little beautiful details right there by the handles. Very, very nice and strong. This is from Dorothy Perkins. Dorothy Perkins. So this bag was 30 pounds on sale for 22, and I think it is a really good bargain. Very, very nice. Very, very pretty. What do you guys think? Do you like it? I hope you do. It's very, very pretty. Very girly. And I mean, you can even buy this and give it as a gift as well. If it's someone's birthday, someone's anniversary, like a young teenager, you know, she's just, you know, up and coming and she wants to get, you know, to get that little fancy dainty things. This could be a beautiful little bag for her as well. I do love this one. So next I do have the yellow. I'm just going to remove the plastic. Now look at how cute this is. I just showed you guys the blue one. So this is the yellow. I have never ever in my entire life owned a bag this color. Again, beautiful tassels right there. Gorgeous, gorgeous bag. And of course you do have the straps on the inside. You can use this as a crossbody if you wish. It's just a beautiful little bag just for your arms. Okay, well not this arm like right there, but you know what I mean. And there it is. And again, this one was 30 pounds on sale for 22, and I think it is worth the money. This bag looks like something you would find on Rodeo Drive. It looks so darn expensive. Very, very, very cute. Very, very, very pretty. I absolutely love it. And again, I love all the details here by the straps right here, by the handles. And these seems to be pretty sturdy. If you guys can just see that right there. Very nice. Again, for an evening out, for theater, for movie, for a date. Perfect. Beautiful. And although this is like a mustard color bag, you can wear this with anything. Universal colors. You could just wear this. You can even wear this with a red. It's going to look so rich and so pretty. You know, the beautiful hot summer days you have in the spring and summertime. Gorgeous. Love it. Love it. Beautiful, beautiful bag. What do you guys think? I hope you like this one as well. 22 pounds from Dorothy Perkins. Really, really nice. So next I do have this beautiful, gorgeous bag to show you guys. I love this bag so much. I love it. I love it so much. I love the handle. It is just so pretty. Gorgeous bag. This was 30 pounds on sale for 22. And you know what though, these bags are so worth the price. I love the handle. You've got a beautiful long handle here, as you can see. This can definitely be a crossbody bag. Or you can just, I don't think you can take that out, but you can just use this just on your hand like that. And you basically just flip that up, you open it up, and you do have you know, lots of room on the inside right there. Very, very, very easy to close. If you are going out for dinner, and you can just put in here your purse, here's some money, your credit cards, a bottle of water can fit perfectly in here. And there you go. So pretty, so beautiful. A pair of jeans, white shirt, black t-shirt, black shirt, gray shirt. Leggings, boots, pumps, trainers, anything you can dress this up and dress this down. For a Friday, going to work, a dress down day with jeans and a t-shirt, you can take this with you. You're going out after work on a Friday afternoon, you can just take this with you as well. But I think it's also very, very, very good for the spring and summer season. So stunning, so beautiful. And there we go, that's the back of it right there. And of course, this is the bottom part of it. Very, very girly, very, very pretty. And I fell in love with this bag. It is so beautiful. Again, this was 30 pounds on sale for 22. And again, it's worth the price because it is just so solidly made. It is such a beautiful bag. And of course, guys, don't forget, I'm going to leave everything in the description box for you guys. So let me know which one of these beautiful bags are your favorite. I love them all. They are so cute. They are just basically screaming spring and summer. Wear me right now. I just want to take this bag out. And I'm going to link everything below for you guys. And I do hope you enjoyed this video today. My name is Odette. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe before you go. Share and rate this video if you wish. And I shall see you guys in my next video. Doodles. Bye.